Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing of the new Primaris Space Marines Techmarine. This is a single miniature, a really nice packaging. This will cost you from Games Workshop website directly $35 US or 30 euros. I strongly suggest to visit your favorite reseller to save some money. Usually they will give you from 15 to 30% off. Okay, so let's see. So I really do prefer these paper boxes than the plastic clamshell. Okay, so inside the box we have one sprue, of course. This is one miniature. Then it is supplied with a 40mm base, and we got two. I don't know why we got two. These transfers. These are HQs. There's a captain, apothecary, librarian, chaplain, so and yeah. Okay, so here is the building guide. He has 24 components. And here are his weapons. So let's see. So we have this is the shoulder mounted forge bolter, the Omniscient axe, the graph pistol, servo arm, and the mechadendrites. Okay. So here is the axe. Here is the bolter, the mechadendrites, and the graph pistol. So he has also a piece of the scenic base here. I don't know if that is optional or you have to put it there. So sometimes these the scenic bases do look really nice, and but if you are basing your way the force you are building, so then definitely this could be a problem for you, mainly because lots of times you have piece of rubble or some kind of stones that they are used, and that is probably in majority of times not the way how you base your miniatures. Maybe you are using some kind of a snow type of surface, and therefore it could be a problem, but yeah, definitely with a little bit of working you could change that. So it looks like yes, here is a little peg that probably slots into the base right here. So these were released in 2020, if I'm not mistaken, and it is a really nice addition to your force, because before that there was probably a chapter specific Techmarine released, and if you wanted to have one in your force you had to use the firstborn Marines or the legacy. marine one, and it is now good to see that you have an option to have a Primaris one. So the detailing on these new plastic miniatures are insane, are very beautifully rendered. Yes, I must add, it is at the cost, of course, because these are not cheap in any way or form, but if you consider how much time you will put into to paint it and make it your own, then definitely it is a fraction of the money goes into the plastic and more into your time. Okay, so I'm looking forward to building this one and paint it up, and then one day I will definitely make a army showcase that I can show you my force. Let's see the picture. So he will be the same like in the picture, because I have a ultramarine force, Primaris force that he will be a part of. Okay, so this was the unboxing of the Primaris Techmarine. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week. Sometimes it is possible, sometimes don't. So I hope you will find something that is of interest for you. I usually produce videos mainly on gear, like knives and stuff, so on. So if you like, you can check on my playlists. I try to keep everything organized so you can check out whatever you are interested in. So wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.